Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful 1936 5-window business coupe. Cute little Dodge all-steel body with a fiberglass nose. Come on up, let's take a look around. Under the hood we have a beautiful 350 modified motor, power steering, front disc brakes, Performer RPM aluminum intake, MSD ignition, headers with dual exhaust hooked up to Flowmasters, GM Turbo 350 trans, 10-bolt GM solid axle. This is one cute little runner, guys. It is a beautiful little coupe. And let's take a walk around the body. What a beautiful little red paint job on here. Got a couple chips that have been touched up. This is a driver quality, which is fun. You want to drive the car and not worry about it. Doors open and shut real well. Steel body. I mean, what more can a guy ask for? This is a cute little runner. Call Tom today, 248-974-9513. And also, we do have the hood side panels. They're painted red. It looks like they're a shade off, though. I don't know how often you'd be using them. But call Tom today, 248-974-9513. This little 36 Dodge will not last, folks. It's got Mickey Thompsons in back, Pro Star polished wheels, ladder bar, locator bar, coil shock, rear suspension, and Chevy A-arm independent coil spring front clip as well. All right, Aubrey, let's look in the trunk of this little 36. You got your fuel cell, rear-mounted battery, fire extinguisher. They really did a nice job on this build. It's a little older, but very, very nice. And I'll tell you what, I can't wait to fire it up so you guys can hear it rev. I'm going to drop the trunk and we're going to take a walk around the car. All right, Aubrey, we're looking at a beautiful all-steel 36 Dodge here. Narrowed rear end, some big healthy meats under there. Really nice fitting car, guys. Look at this. Nice tan interior. Front fenders are metal as well. Front disc brakes. This car is not going to last. Call Tom today, 248-974-9513. All right, Aubrey, check out the interior. I love this. It says Fatal Attraction right here. Pretty cool. You got an inoperable radio. Probably just needs a cable hooked up. We're going to check that out, actually. Rear-mounted speakers. Really, really nice unit here, guys. Power windows, power driver's seat, Budnick steering wheel. I did it tilt wheel. Power steering, power front disc brakes. You know, just, it's done up right, guys. Thanks again for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. Don't forget, join up to our social networks so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. Just go to our website and click on YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook, and become part of our madness. And don't forget, download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. And don't forget, we can always hunt you down the car of your dreams, because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513. Our cars don't sit around, so if you see something you like, jump on it.